Hey everyone, today we're checking out the Cosydora Ultralight Rollator Walker, and I want to give a huge thanks to Cosydora for sending this over, but all opinions in this video are completely my own and based on our real-world experience. We actually brought this with us on our Arizona and Utah trip, and it ended up being a huge help for my dad who's 75 years old. We use it all around the Grand Canyon, so I'll show you everything from unboxing, assembly, features, and how it performed outdoors. So for the unboxing, inside the box you get the cup holder, backrest, rear wheels and handle, front wheels with reflectors, the knobs for the legs, knobs for the handle tube, of course your user's manual, and the main rollator frame with the seat and storage. Everything is packed neatly and protected, and all the parts are clearly labeled with numbers. The assembly was super simple. There's no tools needed. Basically, slide the handles into place, attach the wheels, clip the brake cables using the included cable clips, attach the backrest, and you're done. It took just a few minutes and everything clicked together smoothly. Now let's talk a little bit about the features. It comes with a rear wheel lock so it won't roll while my dad is taking rest. It comes with under seat storage bag. It has a built-in seat with back support for resting, ergonomic hand grips which my dad really likes, a very useful side bottle holder for water. It comes with a reflective strips on the wheels for visibility, and it features an easy folding design that folds flat in seconds. So we brought this with us on our trip to Arizona and Utah, and honestly it made a huge difference. My dad used it to walk around the Grand Canyon. It handled the paths really well. He loved that he could stop anywhere, lock the wheels, sit down and enjoy the view while drinking his water from the bottle holder. The backrest gave him support while resting, and the storage under the seat was perfect for his jacket when the weather changed. Traveling with it was easy too. It folds flat and fit perfectly in the back of our 12-seater van. So far, my dad really loved this rollator. It's lightweight, sturdy, easy to assemble, and packed with features that actually matter, especially for seniors who want comfort and mobility on trips or daily walks. If you want to check it out, the link is in the description. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.